welcome to today's video. So I'm Kayla and this is my first ever YouTube video about American Girl, and inside this box I have the first American Girl doll I ever purchased. So back in 2016 I got the Girl of the Year, Leah Clark, but I ended up selling her a few years later because I was trying to grow out of this phase. You can't see both my hands, but phase, and yeah, I never grew out of it, so I rebought her, and this is what's in this box. So I'm gonna open her up, and yeah. Oh my. Oh yes. Wow. So she's super nicely packaged. Okay, she was just all wonky in the photo. Oh my goodness. Whoa, her hair is a mess because of the bubble wrap. But here she is. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna move this box out of the way. Here's Leah. Her hair is in pretty good condition. It's still really soft. It just needs some water. And honestly, she's really in really good condition. She comes with her little bracelet, camera, and little necklace. She also has her other accessories. Oh, her eyes are good. Her leg's a little loose, but that's okay. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Oh, I'm so happy. Wow. Okay. Oh, right. Okay. So, inside the tissue paper, we have our little headband, braided headband. Her purse, which, hold on, I think it has, okay, it has her photos in it, her little National Geographic's kids, and her passport. Oh my gosh. And then it comes with her book as well. She's in great condition. So I got this Leah doll off of Poshmark for $100, which I would say is a great deal for how great condition she is in. Her hair is actually way better than I thought it was going to be. In the photos it looked like it would be a lot worse, but it's actually in great condition, and I don't think there's much I have to do. I'm gonna clean her skin because it does look a little dirty. You can't really see it on camera, but she is a little dirty. But other than that, she's really good. Oh my gosh. Okay, wow, I'm so excited. Now this is the second doll I got, also from Poshmark and from the same seller that sold Leah. Oh my gosh. So in 2016 is when I got my first doll, which was Leah. And then I became a fan in about 2015 when Grace was the Girl of the Year, which happens to be the doll that is in this box. And pretty much, oh my gosh, I've been a big fan of Grace. I loved her. I don't know why, but I do. Okay. Oh my goodness. Again, hair is crazy because of the bubble wrap. With some water and brush, she's stunning. Oh my goodness. So she has her little bracelet. She doesn't have her accessories, but wow. She is beautiful. Again, great condition. I dropped Leah. That's fine. I am going to wipe her up though, just because she is a used doll, and I'll probably wash her hair. You can see her wig cap a little bit, but I think that's just because of how her hair is all crazy right now. But there we go. There we have Grace. Wow. She's a stunning doll. Stunning. Okay, lots of bubble wrap. And then I got Sage's pajamas because I thought they were really cute. The little slippers are a little dirty, but yeah, hair tie's a little, ooh, hair tie's a little crazy. There's some threads showing, but that's okay. We got the cute little shorts. And the little top. And yeah, okay, so here are the two dolls that I got. Leah's limbs are a little loose. She did have some trouble standing, so I may have to tighten those, but they're so beautiful. And now I'm just gonna fix up their hair and come back and show you what they look like when they're all fixed up. In this clip, I'm just showing you guys how loose Grace's limbs were, and Leah's were about the same. Here we have Grace and Leah all cleaned up. So Grace, I took out her braid and there was just a little kink in her hair that I straightened out. There's still a little bit, but it's not bad. I cleaned them both off with Magic Eraser, tightened both of their limbs, and they look great. Leah is just wearing Sage's pajama set without the slippers because I've just finished doing some photos that'll be on my Instagram of these two gorgeous girls. I also curled Leah's hair. You can kind of tell. And she looks so good. Her wig's amazing. But yeah, here they are.